This is a 2020 Dodge Challenger. It's the SXT with the 3.6 V6. We just did the rear muffler deletes on it. Put the dual outlet black tips on there. Took the factory bezels off of there. Gives it a nice quad look, as you can see. Installed some nice Flowmaster original 40 series mufflers on there. Left the factory X pipe on there, the factory catalytic converters. Won't be any check engine light or any problem like that. Should just give it a nice mellow-tone sound. Let's see what it sounds like. Like I said, nothing too deafening, just a nice mellow tone. Not all that straight pipe crap.